geto kunererwa nabo igochi segi chegenga ngati ya makongo habamenyi be county ya Kisii bagende tukobagwetera
Niko bono ikyo kirere kyumbegi ya Cre-Co Kenya watana n'ebyombe binde ebyo bitari ebya serikali kora umuroberio utumutani elyo ko basemya abantu igoro byo bwesokya nabo igo gwako roboti chingaki ebikoro nebyo byabere bikoenekiwa ase binyoro hasenjiremo yo koenekya nababere bagokonyora obokonyi bwa bene amangi korengana no roboti oro nigo twarigane n'umuriketo Kamilas ongeta
Ritsuko ria rero kiombe getari gya serikali gya Cre-Co Kenya nigo bomerana nabagwatani asogosanga maegerio igoro yobane bamonyabantu asekerenga gya utu mtani kokwana no director bwe kiombe kyo Joshua Changuonya nigo akorera yiga.
We've come here to Kisii County to have a stakeholders engagement forum where we've met the people who have been mobilized by the Raise the Village Initiative, the CPO, based here in Kisii County, the county government of Kisii, the National Police Service, and the human rights defenders from the Kisii community. We've discussed issues around the practice of human dignity in our society. Things which have undermined dignity in this community have been raised, including the practice of female genital mutilation, issues around poverty, issues around negligence of the needs of the people, and is based on the deconstruction on how the Kisii society used to live, where there was a lot of respect among the people.
We are gathered here today for a very fruitful discussion where we were discussing matters utu
Chinga kiechio ni garere ganga yabo na koenekya buna mbachiko bwatra namo nababwatani amone serikali ye county ya Kisii.
The community is so determined to fight against these problems. Cre-Co Kenya is planning to partner with the Raise Initiative Village, the Raise Village Initiative and the county government of Kisii to ensure that we have programs. We are so keen to work with the county government to ensure that they have a policy that guides this so that the people can see the value of even allocating more resources to civic engagement programs during public participation.
Nonyanabo ni galira yogo chiago sire byombe biri bikoigerera obayene bw'abantu.
We are going also to look into the supporting of many community-based organizations here to ensure that girls and boys are mobilized to understand and have proper knowledge that the practice of harmful practices such as FGM is not good for their lives, so that we can have a society that live in dignity.
Commenta na yo omo director of civic education and public participation in county ya Kisii Hilary Matundra nigago keromoro bilio yo na koene kiago chia kugenderia kubwatana nebyombe byo.
I want to take this opportunity on behalf of the county government of Kisii and specifically the Directorate of Civic Education and Public Participation to thank Cre-Co in collaboration with our Year Trust and our very own Raise the Village Initiative, our local non-state actor based here in Kisii County, for partnering and collaborating with us as the county government of Kisii. And the promise is huge that we will partner and collaborate more in future in other engagements, including mounting legal and policy frameworks to help us implement programs and interventions that help support humanity and enhance the quality of life for our people and our community at large.
Ginko reporter egeta seni kiao na mbeya mokia Ndizi TV nchenkoro kwa Kamilas ongeta.